Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about phylum Echinodermata. The phylum Echinodermata, echino means spines, derma means skin, including the spiny skinned animals which are exclusively marine. Jacob Kellin 1734 coined the term Echinodermata and it includes about 6,000 species. Now let us discuss the general characteristics of this Echinodermata. The phylum Echinodermata organisms belongs to marine forms and are bottom dwellers. The adults have radical symmetry, but the larvae forms have bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic and exhibit organ system grade of organization. The head is absent in echinoderms and body also lacks segmentation. Body cavity is true column, which is lined by ciliated peritoneum. The most distinctive feature is the presence of water vascular system or umbilical system with tube feet that help in locomotion, capture of food and respiration. Echinodermata have endoskeleton and it contains numerous calcareous plates with ossicles beneath the skin. The locomotion is carried out by tube feet. The digestive tract is simple and complete type. The mouth is present on the lower side of the anus is on the upper side. Respiration occurs through tube feet which help in circulatory system is reduced and open type called hymal system. The excretory organs are absent in these organisms. The waste products are removed by diffusion through branchiae or amoebocytosis. Nerve system contains circuum, oral nerve ring, transverse and radial nerves. Echinoderms reproduce sexually. Sexes are separate and show no sexual dimorphism. Fertilization is external and development is indirect. Examples of this class are Asteria, sea star or starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, Cucumeria, sea cucumber, feather star, etc. Let us discuss the classification of this Echinodermata. The phylum Echinodermata are divided into subclasses like Asteroidea. The starfishes or sea stars belongs to this class. Arms of 5 or more and not sharply marked off from the central disc. Tube feet is orally placed, umbilical grooves with suckers. Anus and metriophorite boral are present. Pedicelaria are present. These are free living, slow creeping, predaceous and scavengers organisms. Now let us discuss about the class Ophiuroidea. These are also called brittle stars and Alice. The body looks like stars with worm sharply marked off from the central disc. Pedicelaria are absent. Stomach look like sac. No anus is present. Umbilical grooves are absent or covered by ossils. Tube feet without suckers. Madreporite with oral. Class Echinoidea. This organism's body not divided into arms, globular, flattened disc, etc. Mouth at lower pole covered by 5 strong and sharp teeth forming a biting and chewing apparatus called Aristotle lanther. Tube feet cylinder with suckers. Skin ossicles fused to form a rigid globular disc-like or heart-shaped cell test to movable spines. 3-jawed pedicelaria present in the skull. Gut long, cylinder and coiled. Larval forms Pluteus and Echinoplotus fish. Examples of this class are sea urchins and sand dollars, etc. Now let us discuss about the class Holothuroidea. This organism's body looks like massive, long and cylindrical, a cucumber, mouth at anterior and anus is at posterior end. Mouth surrounded by a mini hollow retractile tentacles. Tube feet usually present, sucker-like skin structure, and skin is leathery but relatively soft without spines on pedicellarea. May have an exoskeleton of minute calcareous ossicles. Respiration and excretion by two long and highly branched tubes and extending into column from colca. Larval form are auricularia. Examples of this class are Holothuroidea, Cucumeria, etc. Now let us discuss the class Crinoidea. In this organism, the body is flattened and pentamorous, disc-like, enclosed in a hard cup-shaped calyx formed of calcareous plate. Mouth is in middle and anus external upon a cone, both upon oral surface. Tube feet suckers like restricted to central disc can help in fruit collection. Some forms, sea lilies, permanently sessile and attached to the sea bottom by a long stalk, and others like sea feather stars can freely swim in water. Spines and pedicellaria are absent in the skin. Examples of this class are sea lilies and feather stars, etc. Thank you.